This is the intro to Long Hair Pretty Nail Show. Yeah.
Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out the Makartt Glitter Polygel Kit, and I just love this packaging. This box is gorgeous, but let's go ahead and open it up and see what we get. So as you guys can see, Makartt is showing out with this packaging. I love the ombre. Everything is just so pretty. So this is everything that you get with this kit. You get 4 tubes of polygel, gel base coat and top coat, a nail file that is just the prettiest thing ever, a brush and picker tool that has the spatula on one end and the brush on the other, dual forms, and I like that Makartt is listening because this box has both the flat and the curved dual forms. So this is the flatter dual form, and these are okay, you know, for a dual form. And these are the more curvy ones. And of course, you have your instructions. This pamphlet tells you all about the polygel. It tells you how to put it on, how to take it off. It just gives you all of that information. So if you have any questions or doubts about the polygel, definitely read the booklet. So this kit comes with 4 15-gram tubes of polygel. And this one is the silver holographic. It is so cute. This one is the pink. And this one is the blue. And as you guys can see, these all have like a jelly kind of tint to them, which I like as well. And last but not least, this gorgeous purple color. And these are the colors side by side. All right, so these are my nails, and if you guys didn't catch last week's video, that is where I did these beautiful purple butterfly nails. I used the Poochie's Nails acrylic for this set, so if you guys didn't check that out, I'll leave a link down below. So these are my natural nails, and as you guys can see, they have grown out very nicely, but unlike last week's video, I am going to cut these because I am working with a jelly polygel, so I don't want my nails to show through. So I'm just going to go ahead and clip these with the nail clipper and then use the file to smooth the edges. Once all of that is done, I'm just going to go ahead and push back my cuticles and then use the opposite end to scrape up any of that dead skin. And then I'm going in with my e-file and cuticle clean bit to work around the cuticles to get up any dead skin left over. So this is what my nails look like after all of the prep. And today I'm gonna use some new nail tips from Zule Nails. These nail tips are the bomb. I love the shape. I love the C curve. These are just awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick out my sizes. So after picking out the sizes, I'm going to use the Kiss brush on nail glue to glue them on. And I just hold that in place for about 5 seconds. And as you guys can see, these tips look so good. So I'm just going to repeat that for all of the nails. And this is after getting all of those tips on, and I just love the fit of these, and I also love that they fit so well against my nail that you can't really feel where the tip starts, so that is a really good sign. So now I'm just going to take the hand file and file away the shine from the nail tip and also blend in any of the corners, and then I also lightly etch the surface of my natural nail. So after applying my dehydrator and primer, I'm going to go in with the gel base coat and just concentrate this on my natural nails. And I go ahead and cure that in my nail lamp for 60 seconds. So this kit says that you can use the base coat as the slip, and that's okay if you like to do that. I don't like to do that. So I am just gonna use 91% alcohol as my slip. So I'm just gonna pour a little bit of that into my dampen dish. And I'm gonna start off with the blue glitter polygel and place that on the tip. And I'm going for a ombre with this set. So I'm just applying this to the tip, and I'm just going to kind of fade it down the nail. So once I patted and smoothed that in place, I just went ahead and cured that in the nail lamp for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to move on to the next nail with this beautiful pink jelly glitter polygel. And I'm doing the same thing, just placing that on the tip. And as with the other Makartt polygels, this one worked just as well. I didn't find it too sticky or anything like that. And as you guys can see, it just pats and works like butter. So I'm just gonna move on and use the purple for this nail. So while I'm patting that in place, I just want to pop in and see if you guys have subbed to the vlog channel. I know we've been MIA for a bit, but we will be getting back to the vlog. So you just wanna stay tuned, stay subbed, and make sure you turn on those post notifications. And then for the index fingernail, I'm just gonna go in with that silver glitter polygel. I liked all of these colors. I don't really think I have a favorite because they were just all equally so pretty. All right, so after getting all of the tips on and curing, I'm just gonna go in with the Makartt Natural Pink Polygel, and I'm gonna use this as my nail bed color. And for the OGs on the channel, you've seen me use this one before. I used this color in my first Makartt Polygel video like a long time ago. So this color is really, really cute and it's versatile, just that nice little, you know, natural pink color. So I just applied that to all of my nail bed areas and cured in my nail lamp. And this is what it's looking like. So finally, I'm gonna go in with the clear polygel and I'm just gonna place that on the nail just to even everything out and to build the thickness of the nail because it is a little bit thin. And this also ensures that I can file and shape without messing up my pretty ombre. So this is after getting all of the clear on and curing in my nail lamp. And so now I'm just gonna take some of that alcohol and wipe off the tacky layer. It's very important to do this because you don't want that sticky layer to get your files all gunked up. So now I'm just gonna do my shaping and filing. Polygel is so easy to file that I just went ahead and used the nail file only. I did not use my e-file. So this is after the nails are filed, shaped, and buffed. And now I'm gonna go in with this Madam Glam Perfect White Gel Polish and just tap a little bit of that on my mixing plate. Taking my dotting tool, I'm just going to do some abstract clouds. So this ombre was just so soft and delicate that I just felt like clouds were just the perfect thing to add to it. So I'm just taking the dotting tool and lightly tapping the color on into the shape that I want. And then I just go back in and fill in any of the sparse areas. And this was pretty easy. So I went ahead and did that for all of the nails and cured. And of course, I gotta add some bling. So I'm using the Poochie Snails Bling Gel and Top Coat. Starting off with the bling gel, I just apply that to the nail. And then I go over that with the top coat. And cleaning around the cuticle areas. And then I just put my crystals into that wet gel. And I went ahead and cured each nail after I did so, just so I wouldn't mess things up. So this is after getting all of the crystals on and curing, and I just love how these turned out. So I'm applying my cuticle oil, and here is the finished look. So I wanted to do some low light for you so you guys can see the shimmer. It is just so pretty. These look so gorgeous in person. And this is what they look like in the sunlight. These nails look like a dream. So yeah, I really like this kit. The colors are really beautiful. I think you can come up with so many different looks with this. So if you guys are interested in this kit, I'll be sure to leave the link to Makartt website as well as Amazon, because sometimes they do have their products on Amazon as well, so you can get the shipping a little bit quicker. So I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial, and I will talk to you in the next one.
This is the outro to the Long Hair Pretty Nail Show. Yeah.